Do you ever feel like you're crushing it at work, but your personal life is running on fumes? You don't have to burn out to move up. I'm Sherry, and I help ambitious professionals build careers they love and the energy to enjoy the life that comes with it. Let's talk about real work life balance, not the Instagram version, but practical strategies that help high achievers thrive at work without sacrificing their health, relationships, or their sanity. And if you want to go even deeper, make sure you download my free training on mastering stress, the secret to thriving under pressure. It is going to be a game changer for you. All the information is linked below. So I want you to stop trying to do it all and get your non-negotiables in order. So let's be real. Balance does not look like 50-50. It means being intentional with what matters most to you at the time. So, what is actually important at both work and home? So, you know what's a non negotiable and what can wait. So, what are your top three non negotiables right now? Are you honoring them or are you overcomplicating them? So, you want to also make sure that you're managing energy, not just your time. I used to think if I could just get more efficient, I'd feel more balanced. So then you start doing things like color coding your calendar, time blocking everything, trying every productivity hack that you can find on Google. Yeah, and may end up getting more done that way, but you feel totally exhausted. The vibe we were going for. The real shift happens when you stop trying to squeeze in more and you start managing your energy instead. So let me give you an example that you might be able to relate to. Packing your days so tightly, you're go, 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 that by the time that you get home, nothing left for your family. Zone out in front of the couch night after night. But if we focus on protecting your energy, strategic breaks, smarter scheduling, recovery practices that work for you, you're going to find that when you get home, you still have enough energy in the tank for your family and for things that you enjoy doing. So that's what balance looks like. It's not about doing less, it's about feeling more human when you're doing things. So you want to also make sure that we're using micro recovery moments throughout the day. Most people wait until vacation to rest, but by then it is too late. We want to build small moments into your day and get you into a daily rhythm. So you want these micro recovery breaks. Short, intentional pauses keep your nervous system from getting totally fried. Things like a minute of breathing between back to back calls, a short walk without your phone, taking a real lunch and focusing on that instead of multitasking and also checking your emails at the same time. These are not luxuries, these are tools that allow you to leave work with something still in the tank. Because here's the truth, if you don't reset throughout the day, you're not recovering at night, you're collapsing. And there's a big difference. So when you build in these resets, you show up better at work and you reclaim your energy for your actual life. So are you more likely to overload your work plate and give up your personal time first? Let me know in the comments below. So you also want to model boundaries so you can lead better, because you can't coach your team towards a healthy performance if you're burning out behind the scenes. Maybe you're replying to emails at all hours of the day and night because you think it shows commitment. What it really does is teach your team that boundaries don't matter. So once you visibly log off, communicate your availability, protect your evenings, your stress is going to go down, and your team is going to start operating with more trust and independence. So boundaries aren't just for you. They give your team permission to do their best work without burning out too. So if you're ready to stop surviving and actually thriving, even in high pressure environments, make sure to download my free training on mastering stress, The Secret to Thriving Under Pressure. It's packed with simple, powerful tools that you can use right away. It's all linked down below for you. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next one. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll definitely see you in the next video.